Hello, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Viamondo Boil It range of toasters and kettles. They come in a range of beautiful colours. You can see we've got the powder blue out on display. You can buy a matching colour pair, or you could mix and match wherever you fancy. The key thing about toasters and kettles that are designed specifically for motorhomes, campervans and caravans is that they are low power, so they're not going to trip the campsite power supply. So these are lower power than you would buy in the supermarket, which means they take longer to brown your toast and they do take longer to boil your water. So the toaster is 950 watts and the kettle is 900 watts, so quite a lot lower than you'd find in the supermarket. The kettle has a water capacity of 1.7 litres and the toaster will take 2 standard slices of bread. So it has a variable browning control. It has 3 modes on the side, like you would get on any toaster: cancel, defrost and reheat. It also has a very handy extra lift facility, so if you're putting very small bits of sandwich cut bread into the toaster, you can lift it, just help you get them out. Dead handy. A really important point as well is the cable is 75 centimetres long. Why do you need to know that? Well, because the socket in your motorhome or caravan is probably under the kitchen cupboard and you need to know it's going to reach, so you're going to be using it like that. So measure that distance and check this is going to be a good fit. It's the same on the kettle. Now the kettle has a fixed base, so if you can raise the kettle to reach the socket, that would be great. The kettle goes on, it's 360, so it works in any position. Another nice feature of the kettle, which you often get on more expensive kettles, is the button illuminates blue when it's on. There's a water level indicator and it has what's called an overheat and boil dry protection shutoff. So if there's no water inside and you happen to switch it on, it will turn off automatically to stop it boiling itself dry and overheating. Both of them also feature a handy cable storage facility. So you just take the cable out and roll it around the bottom of the kettle base, and you can do the same on the toaster. Another handy feature, like you get on most toasters, is the breadcrumb tray to empty it out. Really, really good from Viamondo. Well done. The Boil It range, we love it. We think it's great.